Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Asador Para Estufa Alpro 0101 Superfas is probably one of the most versatile and efficient kitchen appliances you can add to your home, designed to bring the authentic taste of grilled food right to your stovetop, revolutionizing the way you cook your favorite dishes with unparalleled ease and convenience, making it an indispensable tool for any culinary enthusiast looking to elevate their home-cooked meals. Number 5. Elite Gourmet 1000W Electric Burner. Experience reliable cooking performance wherever you go. This 1000W heating element is energy efficient and works with standard outlets, perfect for RVs, dorms, offices, and small kitchens. Achieve perfect results with 7 heat levels, from keep warm to rapid boil. Easily adjust the temperature for simmering, stir-frying, or frying, maintaining consistent heat without overheating. The durable 6.4-inch cast iron plate distributes heat evenly. It works with virtually all cookware types, so no special pots are required. This unit features a power indicator light for clear status. Non-skid rubber feet ensure stability, and its compact footprint saves valuable counter space. It's ideal for holiday cooking, entertaining, camping trips, or busy meal prep. This provides a convenient backup cooking solution when you need it most. Elite Gourmet has been delivering high-quality, stylish, and user-friendly kitchen products for over 4 decades. Our US-based support team is ready to assist you. What we like. This portable electric burner is designed for efficiency and convenience. If you need a reliable cooking solution for small spaces like RVs, dorms, or offices, this is a great choice. Its multiple heat settings allow for precise temperature control, making it perfect for various cooking tasks without overheating your space. What people say. The Asador Para Estufa Alpro 0101 Superfas is a great addition to any kitchen, allowing you to cook delicious grilled foods indoors. Its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use, and it's simple to clean after cooking. The even heat distribution ensures your food is cooked perfectly every time, resulting in tender and flavorful meals. Number 4. Head Super Comp Racquet Overgrip, 3-pack. Born from a passion for revolutionizing sports, Head brings decades of experience to the court. We offer nothing but the best tennis equipment to elevate your game. Experience added grip with our specially engineered elastomer material. This provides you with more control over every shot you make. Absorb excess moisture and keep your hands dry, even during intense rallies. This ensures you maintain precision when it matters most. Each pack contains 3 easy-to-apply overgrips. Simply wrap it around your handle for a secure and comfortable fit. Choose from a variety of colors to match your style. Available in black, white, and blue. What we like. Experience superior control and comfort on the court with these tennis overgrips. If you're a player who struggles with sweaty hands or wants a more secure feel on your racket, these are ideal. Their moisture-wicking properties and tacky material ensure a consistent grip, even during intense matches. What people say. The grip now fills my hand a bit better and is much more secure, comfortable, and clean. Again, this grip tape made all the difference, and I can hold them in one place much easier without straining. My favorite thing about this particular tape, though, is the feel. I'm not a fan of tacky grips, and this is not tacky. I think it's just right. Grip it tightly and it locks in, let off and it's smooth enough to change your grip with ease. It always feels dry, too. Number 3. eXtremeRate White DIY Shell for Nintendo Switch Lite. Give your Nintendo Switch Lite a fresh new look with this custom-designed white replacement shell. It's made to fit perfectly, just like the original. This unique case comes with a white border screen protector, adding personality to your device. It's designed for a precise fit and easy installation. Installation requires some electronic experience. We recommend watching our YouTube installation video guide at half speed for the best results. Pause, do, and repeat the steps. The clean white color looks fantastic on its own. Imagine how awesome it would look combined with our custom replacement buttons. This package includes everything you need for the replacement: the front and back shell, colorful buttons, a screen protector, and all necessary screwdrivers and screws. Please note that this is a replacement shell kit only. The Nintendo Switch Lite console itself is not included in the package. What we like. Give your Nintendo Switch Lite a unique and stylish makeover with this custom replacement shell. If you're looking to express your personality and stand out from the crowd, this is the perfect upgrade. While it requires some DIY skill, the result is a console that's uniquely yours, complete with a protective screen. What people say. The quality is outstanding, lightweight yet durable, with a smooth, velvety soft touch finish that feels amazing in the hands. The fit is incredibly precise. Every button, port, and screw hole lined up perfectly. The build quality is excellent, with smooth edges and a solid, well-fitted finish. Number 2. NutriChef Heavy Duty 5-Burner Propane Gas Grill 2. Tired of the hassle of charcoal? This propane grill features an electronic ignition system, letting you start grilling in seconds with just the press of a button. Constructed with stainless steel and powder-coated surfaces, this grill is designed to withstand tough conditions. Its primary burners are also made from durable stainless steel tubing for long-lasting performance. Enjoy a sleek design that includes a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control. The electronic ignition and SS control panel add to its user-friendly and performance-oriented features. This grill offers exceptional efficiency with its multiple burners. The side burner allows you to cook a variety of foods simultaneously at different temperatures, expanding your culinary options. Crafted from stainless steel, it's not only built to last but also looks great. This unit is designed to handle everything from special occasions to everyday use with style and reliability. What we like. Effortlessly host your next barbecue with this heavy-duty propane gas grill. If you value convenience and durability, this grill is an excellent option. Its electronic ignition gets you grilling in no time, and the robust stainless steel construction ensures it will last for years of outdoor cooking enjoyment. What people say. The product is very easy to use. It is a good size for a small family. The product is made of good quality materials. Number 1. Frigidaire 316442300 Surface Element. Ensure your appliance runs smoothly with a genuine OEM replacement part. It's designed and engineered to meet exact specifications for optimal performance. This part supplies the necessary heat to your electric range's cooking area. It ensures consistent temperatures for all your cooking needs. This is an 8-inch surface burner element, perfect for most electric ranges. It provides ample space for your cookware. Featuring 4 turns and measuring approximately 10 by 8 inches, this element is built for durability. You can rely on its high-quality construction. With this brand, you can expect effortless features and quality materials. Enjoy the highest quality performance for the life of your appliances. What we like. Ensure your electric range performs at its best with this genuine Frigidaire surface element. If you're experiencing issues with your existing burner and want a reliable replacement, this is the part you need. It's designed to fit perfectly and deliver consistent heat, maintaining the quality and performance of your appliance. What people say. The product is very good, it cooks evenly and is easy to clean. It is a great addition to the kitchen, it is very practical and functional. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.